السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fourth part of our lesson series in spoken Arabic. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Al-Juzu Al-Rabi' Part 4. Al-Juzu Al-Rabi' Part 4. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So we are going to learn from this lesson how to count in Arabic from 1 to 10 and how to read our phone number in Arabic. مستعد أنت? Are you ready? Let's dive into it. So I'm going to read. You repeat after me. واحد 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 one واحد one اثنان 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 two اثنان two واحد one اثنان two واحد one اثنان two. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ثلاثة 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 three ثلاثة three ثلاثة three أربعة 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 four أربعة four أربعة four ثلاثة three أربعة four ثلاثة three أربعة four ثلاثة three أربعة four. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. خمسة 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 five خمسة five خمسة five ستة 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 six ستة six ستة six خمسة five ستة six خمسة five ستة six خمسة five ستة six. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة 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 seven سبعة seven سبعة seven ثمانية ثمانية. The sound of letter T and H in the English word thank you. ثمانية 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 eight ثمانية eight ثمانية eight. Remember, سبعة and ثمانية share the same shape. However, the two legs of سبعة are facing upward, while the two legs of ثمانية are facing downward. The two legs of سبعة are facing upward. They face the sky. And the two legs of ثمانية are on the ground. I hope you can understand it this way. I hope you can understand it this way. MashaAllah. سبعة seven ثمانية eight ثمانية 8. سبعة 7. ثمانية 8. سبعة 7. ثمانية 8. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 9. 9. 9. 9 9. 9 9. 9 9. 10. 10. 10. 10 10. 10 10. 10 10. 9 9. 10 10. 9 9. 10 10. 9 9. 10 10. So 10 is a combination of 1 and 0. I repeat, 10 is a combination of 1 and 0. 9 9. 10 10. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 0 0. 0 0. 0 0 0. As indicated by the arrow. 0 0. 0 0. So the dot written under the arrow is called صفر in Arabic, which means 0 in English. صفر 0 0. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the quick revision. So how can you identify each of the numbers written on the first line? How can you identify each of the numbers written on the first line? Remember that Arabic is read from right to left. From right to left. So now we are going to start from the right hand side. We are going to start reading of the numbers from the right hand side. Ajahizun ant. Are you ready? So let's dive into it. Starting from the right. So the first number written here in black is what? That is Hamsa. Hamsa 5. Hamsa 5. Followed by Arba'a. Arba'a 4. Arba'a 4. Followed by Thalatha. Thalatha 3. Thalatha 3. Thalatha 3. Thalatha 3. Then Ithnan. Ithnan. Ithnan 2. Then Wahid. Wahid. Wahid 1. Wahid 1. Let's try to read the numbers again, starting from the left to the right. Number 1 is what? Wahid. Wahid. Then Ithnan. Ithnan. Then Thalatha. 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 Then Arba'a. 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 Then Khamsa. 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 So how can you now identify the set of numbers written on the second line? The set of numbers written on the second line. Remember to read starting from the right to the left. That is how Arabic is read. Unlike English, that is read from left to right. But Arabic is read from right to left. So we are going to start reading from the right hand side. So the first number on the second line is what? That is a combination of 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is Ashara. Ashara 10. عشرة 10. تسعة 9. 9. سبعة. Remember, when the two legs are facing the sky, are facing upward, so you regard it as سبعة 7. So when the two legs are on the ground, are facing downward, so you regard it as ثمانية 8. So then the last number on the second line, written in black. So what do you call it? ستة 6. Now the last line. So how do you now identify the numbers written on the last line? So the first number is اثنان. Try to distinguish between اثنان and ستة. اثنان and ستة. The leg of اثنان is fixed on the left hand side. The leg of اثنان is fixed on the left hand side, while that of ستة 6, the leg of ستة is fixed on the right hand side. So when the leg is facing left hand side, so you regard the number as اثنان 2. And when the leg is facing the right hand side, so you regard the number as ستة 6. I hope you understand the difference between اثنان and ستة. So the first number is اثنان 2. So the second number ستة 6. ستة 6. Then we talk about سبعة and ثمانية. سبعة 7. ثمانية 8. So when the two legs are facing upward, so you regard the number as سبعة. So when the two legs are fixed on the ground, when the two legs are facing downward, so you regard the number ثمانية. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. So سبعة 7. ثمانية 8. Then صفر, the last number. صفر, the dot written in black. صفر 0. صفر 0. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So now the conversation between Khalid and Faisal. Listen attentively to the conversation between Khalid and Faisal. Khalid, ما رقم اتصالك يا فيصل. ما رقم اتصالك. What is your phone number? يا فيصل. ما رقم اتصالك. The alifun kasra between mimun and ta'un is to be omitted because it is being found in the middle of other letters. So you omit it, you don't read it. ما رقم اتصالك. Never say ما رقم اتصالك. Rather you say ما رقم اتصالك. What is your phone number? ما رقم اتصالك, by talking to a male person. ما رقم اتصالك يا فيصل. ما رقم اتصالك يا فيصل. What is your phone number? فيصل. ما رقم اتصالك يا فيصل. ما رقم اتصالك. What is your phone number? يا فيصل. Now Faisal is responding. رقم اتصالي هو. My phone numbers are. رقم اتصالي هو. My phone numbers are. So now how do you read the phone numbers below? haven't mastered how to count in Arabic from 1 to 10, 080 41 52 27 82. So how do you read that in Arabic? Let's get started. Now to read the numbers in Arabic, you do this way. 0 8 0 4 1 5 2 2 7 8 2. I read the numbers again. I read the phone number again in Arabic. 0 8 0 4 1 5 2 2 7 8 2. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the conversation between Ruqayya and Zainab. Ruqayya, ما رقم اتصالك يا زينب؟ ما رقم اتصالك يا زينب؟ ما رقم اتصالك? What is your phone number? يا زينب. زينب. ما رقم اتصالك? What is your phone number? يا زينب. زينب. Now Zainab responding. رقم اتصالي هو. رقم اتصالي هو. رقم اتصالي. My phone numbers are. رقم اتصالي. My phone numbers هو are. So how do you read this number in Arabic? So how do you read the numbers below in Arabic? Haven't mastered counting of numbers from 1 to 10 in Arabic. So how do you read them? Let's get started. 0 5 4 5 3 6 8 2 6 9. Let's do that again. 0 5 4 5 3 6 8 2 6 9. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. With this, you should be able to read your phone number in Arabic and equally ask others about their phone number in Arabic language. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit our online store to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of video clips and PDF file via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below with the bell icon. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.